Well, this looks like a bit of a waste of time, doesn't it? Unlike your household vacuums, these units are designed to suck up mixed materials, wet or dry. And unfortunately, poor loss of suction like this is very rarely due to the unit itself. It's generally because it hasn't been maintained or the filters haven't been cleaned. Regardless of the cause of these issues, they can be quickly checked and easily fixed. And in this video, we're going to cover the #1 culprit, and that is dirty filters. Now, your air filters should be cleaned very regularly, especially in environments like this. And as you can see, this one hasn't been done for quite a while. So let's give it a clean, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Now, cleaning the filter is very straightforward. All you need is an old paintbrush. Before we get to this though, we're going to tap the rubber edges of the filter on the side of the bin. Now, the reason we want to just tap it on the rubber edges is we don't want to damage the paper veins of the filter. So we're going to give it a tap all the way around, get rid of all that large bits of clumps of dirt, and then we're going to use our paintbrush to get in between those paper veins. As you can see just how much dust is coming off. And if you want a really thorough clean and you got one of these handy workshop blowers on hand, you can blow it out. Good as new. Now, because these filters are only designed for dry pickup, you should never use water to clean them, a damp cloth, or even a cleaning agent, because that can permanently damage the paper veins on the filter. But if you need to do any form of wet pickup or wet vacuuming, you can't use this filter. You need to set your vacuum up the right way. To learn how to do that, check out our other video on wet pickup. To make cleanup even easier, use a paper collection bag. That way, all your dust goes in here and then straight into the bin. For those of you that suffer from allergies, we also have a range of microfiber collection bags available too. Regardless of which collection bag you use, it must be used in conjunction with your cartridge filter. And don't forget to check this bag regularly, because as it gets full, you're going to start losing suction on your vacuum. Now, here's a great tip. If you use a washable pre-filter that slides over your cartridge just like so, not only will it extend times between cleaning, it'll also extend the life of the cartridge filter as well. But remember, this may be washable, but your cartridge filter isn't. Eventually, the main filter is going to get to this stage where it's no longer effective. And if you persist in cleaning it, all that's going to happen is you're going to end up with more loss of suction. And remember, don't try to run the unit with no filter, because that can actually damage the vacuum. So let's bin that and replace it with a new one, which are available in the tool shop at your local Bunnings store. And remember, to get the best suction out of your workshop vac, make sure you check and clean the filters regularly, and never clean this one with anything wet. And if you want to learn more about wet and dry vacs, check out our other how-to videos.
RYOBI, a cut above.